Hello, everyone can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you saying.
Yes, I can hear you as well.
My name is Bilal Hussain, and I will be your instructor for this course, WebLogic 12C. Let me share the presentation. Just give me a minute. Okay, so about myself, I'm a PMP certified IT professional with 15 plus years of experience in developing and delivering multi-tier, multi-vendor, some on-premises or multi-cloud technology solutions, which includes hardware, software, multiple applications, and other kind of softwares. Beside this, I'm working on cloud technologies like AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle, VMware, and other things. Um, and I'm also a certified trainer on these domains and have various certifications related to these tracks or principles. So I will ask you people to quickly introduce yourself so then we can start.
Thank you, Hussein. I'll go first. I'm by names of Patrick Muhabura, and I did a bachelor's in computer science, and I'm currently working with some bank as an IT applications administrator. I'm glad you have come to this, and we hope to achieve more from this. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Good morning. My name is Glenn Marvin Soke. I studied Bachelor of Science in Software Engineering, and I work in as an IT administrator as well.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. Can I be heard?
Yes, Edwina.
You
I
can hear me,
can't
Patrick?
hear you.
Yes, my name is Edwina Kamwesije. I work with Patrick and Glenn, and I'm an IT administrator as well. I did software engineering for my bachelor's, and I am very expectant in this that we are taking on. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. And I expect you people that you people have at least a little bit knowledge of applications or application servers. That how applications work. As you people said that you are IT administrator, so I think you must have heard about application servers, the deployment, and any kind of knowledge because we will try to gain as much as things related to the WebLogic. But as a prerequisite, you must have an idea of applications, databases, and systems. How what are the core concepts of this? And this will greatly help you to understand about the application server because WebLogic is fully certified application server of Java Enterprise Edition. So we will look things in the detail. Okay, let's move to the WebLogic slide. Just let me switch it. Okay, so can you see my screen? Anyone can just answer me.
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay, so okay, so objectives of our course will be we will learn installing WebLogic Server, creating and configuration, its monitoring, how to deploy application. We will just look at the minimum level of deploying the application because the application is not part of this course, but we will look some procedures, some security features, authentications, and backup and restore of the WebLogic software. Target audience, as I expecting you that you should have administration or at least some kind of background which you know that what kind of applications are there. And Oracle mostly target or give examples related to Linux or Unix. However, it is not mandatory. You can use Windows, but if you have Linux or Unix experience, so you can understand the commands because the course will show the commands related to the Linux. Those will be the basic commands. If you don't know, so don't worry, I will just describe you, but don't worry. So this will be the course overview, WebLogic installer. Today we will try to cover the second part, this WebLogic server overview and installing and patching of WebLogic servers. And then these will go on in coming days. And one more thing, we will have some surprise quizzes, and who will answer or who will score the best. I think there will be surprise gift from educate. Let's move to our course. So let's start with the distribute system. I hope you will be all familiar, but just a recap of the distributed systems, what these systems are. And well, this is a very old concept and not very much applicable nowadays, but to just take the overview, because WebLogic has too many things here which we have to understand in connection to that is the scalability and availability. So what these distribute systems work, actually these are more than one systems work together in a similar modules, like if we have two three similar systems and WebLogic is installed and up and running on these systems, so we can scale our workload on multiple systems rather than one. So this is called scalability. I'm just quickly going through it. If you don't understand something, so you can interrupt me, but I am assuming that this is a just quick introduction. So we should understand the scalability concept. That scalability is just a thing which we can have. We don't have a limitation. We can install our application on more than one system and can scale it to multiple systems. The second point comes to the availability. Availability is related to any kind of failure, hardware failure, software for failure, operating system failure, any kind of error in which our WebLogic server or the host operating system goes down. And if our production is running on a single server and it goes down, so our availability is zero. So for to cater this, what we can do is we can have more than one system in a cluster or some sort of any mechanism which can detect a failure and can transfer our application load from one system to another, or vice versa. So another recap of Java Enterprise Edition. Why it is here? Because WebLogic runs and actually you can say built on Java Enterprise Edition. Everything on the WebLogic is from the Java. So we just have to know what Java is. Java is there are various variants, or you can say additions of Java, but here we will talk about Java Enterprise Edition. There is a Standard Edition and other ones too. So what Java is? Java is enterprise. We can say that a language or a platform which provides various functions. We can build softwares, classes, libraries which can be installed on Java, applications, whatever we can build on Java as a web application, we can deploy on WebLogic. So here we will strictly talk about the web applications, because WebLogic is for web applications, not desktop based applications. So if we are building a desktop based application, so we cannot deploy on WebLogic. So please keep that in mind. So what Java Enterprise Edition consists of? JVM, Java Virtual Machine, Java Standard Edition. Actually, Java Standard Edition is you can say a lighter